pretty mysterious, but I think Kahani 1 was better than Kahani 2. Both of them have done justice to their roles. Acting was pretty good. Yeah.
Arjun Rampal's performance.
Arjun Rampal was very good. I liked his acting.
Fun was like superb, and this was disappointing.
What was missing in Kahani 2?
Just the whole storyline, it was too Bollywoody. It was typical of Bollywood movie. Thank you.
Performance of Vidya Balan.
Acting was really good, but the storyline is okay. It's moderate. It's not that suspense or thriller. There's no such thing.
Okay, is it better than Kahani 1?
No, I like Kahani 1.
Okay, how many stars you want to give out of 5?
3.
कैसी लगी?
Very good, and she's acted like it's Vidya Balan. There is no place that she has underperformed. It's like she's done a perfect acting, and it has got a very good story and a storyline.
Okay, Sujay Ghosh as a director.
Yeah, again he's done very well. If you see Kahani 1 and the other movies that he has done, it's again a very good script that he has, and Vidya Balan has executed it perfectly.
Okay,
and even Arjun Rampal's acting is really good.
Okay, how many stars do you want to give out of 5?
3.5.
Thank you so much.
Actually, yeah, it was good, but more of a predicting. ज़्यादा predict कर पा रहे थे. And Kahani 1 was better, I would say. Yeah.
Okay, about the Vidya Balan performance.
Yeah, Vidya Balan performance was good. I mean, जैसे एक normal woman को लगना चाहिए, like कितनी common है, वो उसने एकदम दर्शाया है, वो वैसे ही है.
Okay, Arjun Rampal.
Arjun Rampal, I mean, unpredictable, but yeah, I mean, थोड़ा सा movie के हिसाब से you get to know that, हाँ, ऐसा ही रहा.
Okay, how many stars you want to give out of 5?
Like 2.5.
Tell us how you like the film.
It was good. It was pretty mysterious, but I think Kahani 1 was better than Kahani 2. Both of them have done justice to their roles. Acting was pretty good. Yeah.
Arjun Rampal's performance.
Arjun Rampal was very good. I liked his acting.
In direction, Sujay Ghosh.
Yes, he's a very good director. He has lived up to the listing, but it was good.
Do you think it's a total paisa vasool film?
Yes, quite a bit. I would say that.
Okay, out of 5, how many stars?
3.
Thank you so much.
It's a good movie, watchable movie. It's not a boring movie. I like the movie because suspense is maintained well, and Vidya Balan has acted well, and Arjun Rampal has supported the cast very well. And direction way, it is a good movie.
Okay, who is a better performer in terms of acting? Arjun Rampal or Vidya Balan in the film?
Vidya Balan, because she is the main bone of the movie, so she has acted well.
Okay, out of 5 stars, how many stars would you give, sir?
3 you can give.
Yeah, I like the film really very well. It's a very well-made film, and Vidya Balan has acted really well in it, so bravos to her for that. And even Arjun Rampal, I'm seeing him in the movies after a long time, but he's in a very nice state this time, so it's a good one. It's a good film.
Okay, is it better than Kahani 1, the previous one?
So the overall concept with which Kahani was made, with the certain twist that they always get in, it's there. But definitely there's a very different message and storyline to the whole film. So I wouldn't want to compare it, but definitely I love both the movies.
Who rocked, Vidya Balan or Arjun Rampal?
The movie wouldn't have been complete without both of them. So it's the credit goes to both of them.
How many stars would you give?
4.
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
I won't tell people about the film because they will probably watch it, but see, because the name is Kahani 2, they might compare it with Kahani, तो उसके हिसाब से थोड़ा सा फीका लग सकता है. But if you watch it as a standalone film, I think it's a very good film to watch.
Who's a better performer in terms of acting, Vidya Balan or Arjun Rampal? Arjun Rampal is back,
Arjun Rampal को जो role मिला, I think he's perfectly suited for that role, जो police officer का role play कर रहे हैं. And Vidya Balan obviously is phenomenal as always. Sujay Ghosh का direction भी, Kahani and Kahani 2, both of them are phenomenal.
Okay, क्या बांध के रखती है film end तक?
It will keep you glued to the seat, but the suspense element is not as much as Kahani. So if you watch it as a different film altogether, then you might find it very good.
Thank you so much.
The movie was really good, a thriller movie, quite engrossing, quite gripping, and tried to convey a social message, and the suspense was there till the end, as in Kahani 1 as well. So it was quite good.
Okay, who's a better performer in terms of Vidya Balan or Arjun Rampal?
So if I have to compare the two of them, I think I would say Vidya.
Okay, do you think he fit in the role when we talk about Arjun Rampal after a long gap? He's there.
Yeah, he did, of course. He did complete justice to the role that he was given, and he was in a new form after a very long period of time, so it was good to see.
Okay, what is the best part you like about Kahani 2?
Kahani 2, I think it was similar, the way in Kahani 1 till the end you had to be engrossed in the movie to know what is uncovering, and similar thing happened in Kahani 1 also. You couldn't figure out what was going to happen. At the end there was another twist, so Everything was good.
Okay, how many stars are you going to give?
4.
Thank you.